How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First all you need to do just go to settings and then go to apps and type here Minecraft. Click on it, click advanced options, and here we'll find Minecraft settings. First click terminate and then click repair, and that's it. And now after that just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.